G'day fellow moto, well look at Bandit Nev and Ruby the Suzuki Bandit. How are you all, my subscribers and listeners and watchers, and hope you're all doing great. Well, what a wonderful day. About, what would it be, about 22 degrees? No clouds in the sky. I've got my winter jacket on and that's fantastic. Yeah, so what's new? Well, if you follow my channel you'll know that there's been a firmware update to my Ghost 4K. The Drift Ghost 4K, and I was hoping that it addressed the issue of my white flash at 60 frames a second. Well, I'm telling you it hasn't. I even thought maybe it was just the normal setting that was causing the problem, but no, even on my Vivid setting it's been flashing. So back to 50 frames a second, folks. One of my friends on YouTube commented there's not that much difference between 50 and 60 frames a second, so he wouldn't worry about it too much, and I tend to agree. So until such time as I see a firmware update that specifies the white flash, well, I'll just keep it on 50. Ah, lovely straw. Lovely straw flying out there. Yeah, so I haven't addressed it, but anyway, I will keep on soldiering on, so to speak. I'm going to have to get past this dude. The straw was well, flying out everywhere, and it was annoying me. Also, if you follow my channel, you know that I bought a particular program, which I won't mention the program name, but it cost me $80, I think $89 or something like that. Anyway, the reason I bought the program is because it wasn't working on Windows 7. So I ended up putting Windows 8 on because 7 was getting a bit bogged down. Sorry, Windows 10, not 8, Windows 10, and it fixed the problem. Well, guess what, folks? The last two versions of the updated program have not worked on Windows 10. So I'm back to square one again. And I'm not going back to Windows 7 now, not after all the work you put in. And I don't know whether to message them or not. Surely other people are having the same problem. They've never got back to me on the problem that I had not recognising a certain part of a certain piece of hardware. They've never got back to me about that, so maybe this is going to be a long running thing. It could be the actual piece of hardware, the brand that the driver doesn't like or something. I don't know, I've got no idea. I'm not a programmer. So I suppose I'll have to send them off an email stressing the point that this has happened. This is the second time it's happened. First on Windows 7, now on Windows 10. Anyway, not to worry. Bandit Nev on Ruby the Suzuki Bandit, bidding you all very safe riding. And until next time, cheers for now.